Hi children, today we are going to see the next topic, division algorithm for polynomial. So we are going to see the division. So in division we should know the long division method. So first let me teach you the long division method. So divide 2x square plus 3x plus 1 by x plus 2, right? So this is said to be dividend, this is said to be dividend, and this is said to be divisor. This is dividend, this is divisor. Using divisor only we are going to divide this dividend. Clear children? And this is said to be p of x. P of x is equal to 2x square plus 3x plus 1, and this is said to be divisor. Divisor is given as g of x. G of x is equal to x plus 2. Clear? Now let me teach you how to divide this polynomial using long division method. So let me take 2x square as we do the normal division. 2x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by x plus 2. So now I am going to teach you the exact method. See, if you don't know how to take the quotient, that is, see, you have to consider the first term of the dividend, first term of the dividend with the first term of the divisor. Okay, see how to find the quotient. 2x square. So to get 2x square, what should be multiplied with x, right? If you know, you can write. See, if you multiply 2x, you'll be getting 2x square with x. If you multiply 2x with x, you'll be getting 2x square. If you have doubt, I can't find out what to be multiplied with this, so I want some idea. Means, see, let me give you some idea. Take the first term of the dividend here and divided by, because you are going to divide this by x. Yes, so write x here. So x and x square gets cancelled, so you'll be having 2x. Okay, then you write the 2x here. To get the first term quotient, you divide this first term with this first term of the dividend with the first term of divisor. Then you'll be getting the answer as 2x, and this is the quotient in the numerator, that is in the top. Clear? Okay, see, x in 1 into 2 is 2, and 1 into x is x into x is x square. So you got the first term. So always we have to check the first term. Okay, so x into 2x is equal to 2x square, right? Here you have plus, so plus into plus is plus. 2x into 2 is 2 2s are 4, x is only one x, so x. That's all. Now change the sign. So this will be getting cancelled. So you'll be getting, see here it is plus 3x and minus 4x. So you put minus, you'll be getting minus 1x. 4 minus 3 is 1. So 4 is the greatest number, so its sign is minus. Yes, next bring this term to here, plus 1. Now consider the first term and with this term. See, here you have minus x divided by first term is x. So xx gets cancelled and you'll be having minus 1. So write the minus 1 here. Now multiply. Minus into plus, minus 1 into x, x. Minus into plus, minus 1 2s are 2. Now you have both are negative, so you have to change the sign here, make this as a plus and this as a plus. So minus x and plus x gets cancelled. So here you have plus 1 plus 2. So both are in the positive, so you can add and write. So the answer is 3, right? So this is said to be p of x, this is said to be g of x, and this is said to be q of x, quotient, and this is said to be remainder, so r of x. Clear? Clear? And the next thing, see, in a normal division, suppose let me divide 10 using 3. So 3 means 3 3s are 9, and the remainder will be 1, right? So this can be written as, in the mixed fraction, how you will write the quotient. No need for mixed fraction. See how you got this, 3 into 3, that is, this is said to be p of x, right? So p of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus 1, that is 3 into 3, 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1 is 10, right? So in the same way, p of x is equal to g of x plus q of x plus r of x. This g of x plus q of x plus r of x. This is g of x, that is the divisor, and this is quotient, and this is the remainder. So p of x means dividend. So dividend is equal to a multiplication of divisor and quotient and plus remainder. Clear? So this is very important things in the last exercise. Okay.